So, Mickey, just when I thought we were going to have a down week, the market turns up today with the financial industries leading the way. What did you see this week?
A lot of noise. Again, rumors of possibly a December Fed increase in, the interest rate. The market's kind of going back and forth whether that'll occur. You had the news with Deutsche Bank about the fine from the U.S. It looks like they're coming to a settlement, which is why the financials were up today. You had OPEC. First, the deal is they're agreeing to agree to talk, and that's why the market sold off yesterday. So this is just all noise and it's volatility. And when you have a market that truly is, in my opinion, fairly valued based on the companies, now it's all economic news driven, and every day is going to be something else, and it's going to cause this volatility.
What's interesting to me, Mickey, is that Wells Fargo announcement that seemed to be pretty substantial in terms of the potential, at least the alleged real scamming of customers. I don't see that as having had a material effect on a person's investment portfolio. Why is that?
That's a good question. And a lot of it is, once the news came out, it's already out. They're trying to remedy the situation. But I don't think they're out of the woods, because I think when it's all said and done, it will affect their bottom line. If you're a Wells Fargo customer and you've had this issue, or you start seeing, hey, they try to do stuff, I would think at least in the next year that their earnings could take a hit. It'll be interesting to see. But, the market it's kind of there's an old saying, buy the rumors, sell the news. So once the news comes out, kind of like with Deutsche Bank today, that they're coming to a settlement, well, that means in theory all the bad news is gone, so the stock can go back up. And, Wells Fargo, no one really knows what's going to happen. They're still putting up good numbers, so it's kind of, pulling from both sides there. But I do believe that there has to be some fallout moving forward in the long term for the stock.
So, Mickey, I think what you're saying, both on the Wells Fargo example, but also on the macro level, is we're going to see the ups and downs as rumors really drive the market until next earnings release and the Fed does something with the rates after all.
Absolutely. I mean, there's just, unless we get, what they consider a black swan event, some sort of economic bad news, but there's really nothing out there. There'll be economic releases that are going to be good and bad, which we keep seeing. We've got jobs reports, the weekly jobs reports, which have actually been pretty strong. So it's that time of year. I still wouldn't be surprised to see the market finish a little higher, because a lot of money is on the sidelines. So you're getting a lot of these high frequency trading and these computer programs that can push the market up pretty easily. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the market close a little higher by the end of the year.
Appreciate the time, Mickey. Why don't you give that website and your email address one more time?
The website is Envestim, ENVESTIM.com. And my email is Mickey, MICKEY, @Envestim.com. Plus, on the website, we have chat feature. So if you go on there and you have a question, just type it in and you'll get a response real quickly.
Good stuff, Mickey. Thanks for your time. See you next week.
Thank you, David. See you then.